Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can download and install Canva software in your PC or laptop, whichever you are using. So this process is actually quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information. So let's get on it. So if you want to download Canva on your PC, you can go ahead and type this on your browser. So first open any browser that you are currently using on your device and then just type it on the address bar and then just press the enter or click the enter on your keyboard. Then after that, go to the downloads or after downloading it, click the download button on your computer. You can click the start download for that, and then after doing so, go to your downloads or downloads folder and double click on the Canva setup .exe file, and then the Canva setup will begin the installation and start the desktop application automatically after the process is complete. So after doing these steps right here, you should be able to use Canva on your device. So in case it doesn't, launch the Canva app through the start menu right here and from the desktop shortcut after the installation finishes. So Canva for desktop is similar in workflow to the web app that we all grown accustomed to, but it isn't just a wrapper for the webcam. So Canvas included a tabbed interface in the desktop app which lets you work on multiple designs at the same time, much like how you do it in different tabs in a web browser. So, however, having the desktop app doesn't mean you can use Canva offline. So, Canva is an Electron framework based application and it needs a constant internet connection to work even on the desktop app. So, that's it for this video. I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.